A mind-portable gadgets with some crazy features. Or what about some problem-solving gadgets? Well, stick around, we have a lot of interesting picks today. All the links to the products are in the description below. SENA Snowtalk 2 Bluetooth Snow Helmet Headset. Chat with friends and stay aware of their location on the mountain when you use the SENA Snowtalk 2 Bluetooth Snow Helmet Headset. Install it easily in the AirPod of your snowboard or ski helmet. Then you'll have up to 6.5 hours of talk time. Moreover, this Bluetooth communication system provides convenient intercom abilities. In fact, its built-in microphone and intercom can communicate with up to 4 other people via Bluetooth. Not only that, but you can use it for music playback as well. Simply pair it with your smartphone to listen to music as well as take calls. With a working distance of up to 700 meters, it keeps you connected even when someone's on the bunny hills and you're on the Black Diamond. Lepulse Lescale F4 Household Smart Body Fat Scale. Stay apprised of your overall health with the Lepulse Lescale F4 Household Smart Body Fat Scale. Showing more than your body weight, it actually provides you with 15 different measurements. Using bioimpedance analysis, it lets you know your BMI, heart rate, muscle mass, and more. Designed with 4 high-precision G sensors, it gives you accurate measurements with division down to 0.2 pounds. Plus, the extra-large display makes it easy to see 8 essential body composition measurements at a glance. You can track trends and even create up to 24 profiles for your family. Additionally, Athlete Mode is ideal for people who regularly exercise more than 3 times a week, helping them achieve better performance. Then, Baby Mode follows the growth of little ones. Providing you with a comprehensive understanding of your body, it helps you reach your health goals. Nextbase 422 GW Alexa Integrated Dash Cam. Most people don't think about dash cams, but they can be useful to have in many situations. The Nextbase 422 GW Alexa Integrated Dash Cam is a great one to have on your list. Integrated with Alexa, the dashcam also has safety features. With emergency SOS and intelligent parking mode, it monitors both you and your vehicle. In the event of an accident, the emergency SOS feature can alert emergency services if you're not responding. And intelligent parking mode automatically records any bump or physical movement to your car when left unattended. Plus, you'll have all the benefits of Amazon Alexa right at your fingertips. This dashcam features 1080p HD and a wide viewing angle of 140 degrees. And you can easily share videos from your dashcam right to your smartphone with AutoSync. Bond Smart Ceiling Fan Controller. Create the perfect climate in your home with the Bond Smart Ceiling Fan Controller. This intelligent system transforms any remote-controlled ceiling fan into a smart fan. The Bond controller is easy to set up and use. Simply use the app, which is available for both iOS and Android. In addition to managing the actual fan, Bond also controls everything else that is remote, including the light and fan speed. You can even change the direction of the fan for total customization. Miku Pro Smart Baby Monitor. If you're a parent, you likely worry about your baby's well-being when they're in their cot. The Miku Pro Smart Baby Monitor allows you to track your little one's growth and receive greater awareness of how they sleep and breathe. In particular, it shows real-time alerts of their RPMs and even alerts you of any changes. Best of all, it doesn't require any wearables. Moreover, this smart baby monitor features 1080p video resolution, enabling you to observe the nursery in high definition. You can even save unlimited videos to your device to share with friends and family. Remo Plus RemoBell S Fast Responding Smart Video Doorbell. Always know who is waiting at the door with the Remo Plus RemoBell S Fast Responding Smart Video Doorbell. Designed to replace your existing wired doorbell, this device provides 1080p full HD video and advanced motion detection. Complete with customizable motion zones, the RemoBell S doorbell looks exactly where you want it to. Offering video-based motion detection and a wide viewing angle, it allows you to monitor and record front door activity in real time. Additionally, it sends instant push notifications to your smart device so you're always in the loop. Offering around-the-clock surveillance on your front door, it also has two-way talk and infrared night vision as well. Withings Thermo Smart Temporal Thermometer. Take your temperature with ease in an instant using the Withings Thermo Smart Temporal Thermometer. Boasting 16 infrared sensors, it is highly precise and accurate, giving you reliable results. Furthermore, it takes temperatures super quickly and provides you with a color-coded fever indicator, so you know at a glance whether or not you need to get to the doctor. Requiring no contact with the skin, it's a hygienic, non-invasive way of taking your temperature, and this makes it suitable for anyone from infants to adults. Hi-Spec corded multi-purpose rotary power tool. For DIY work and repairs, precision craft work, and specialist hobbies, take on the Hi-Spec 160-watt 1.4 amp rotary power toolkit. With its box of Dremel-compatible bit accessories, harness its powerful high-speed rotary motor to cut, drill, engrave, grind, polish, sand, and trim across a wide range of materials and workpieces. Multi-purpose power tool for DIY repairs and maintenance, craft work, and specialist hobbies. 120-piece accessory set for high-speed drilling, cutting, sanding, grinding, and more. 160-watt 1.4 amp corded motor for variable high speeds up to 35,000 RPM. Bouncie GPS car tracker. With the Bouncie smart car tracking device, you can keep an eye on the whereabouts of your family members. So if you have a parent who may be prone to wandering, this connected car tracker will give you peace of mind. You simply install this vehicle tracker in the car you want to keep an eye on, and that's it. You can customize the type of alerts you want to receive. Get notifications for acceleration, braking, leaving a perimeter, or something else. If you have a teen who's new to driving, this vehicle tracking device will help you know if they're practicing safe driving protocol. Wireless blood pressure monitor. That bulky setup for blood pressure monitoring will not be required anymore if you have the wireless blood pressure monitor by Withings. Your systolic and diastolic blood pressure, as well as heart rate, can now be measured anytime on the go without any wires. The readings you'll receive from the monitor can easily be compared to WHO blood pressure standards so that you get to enjoy an easy understanding of the data. The monitor syncs wirelessly to your iOS or Android devices via Bluetooth. The corresponding HealthMate app on your phone will store all of your data and offers graphs as well as individual measurement tables to give you the best feedback you desire. Atomi Smart Coffee Maker. Sip your best cup of joe every morning when it's made on the Atomi Smart Coffee Maker. This intelligent connected gadget works with all your favorite protocols: Alexa, Google, iOS, Android, and the Atomi Smart app. Offering a 12-cup capacity, it's great for just your family or for when you have guests over. Furthermore, it even offers voice control with assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Through the app, you can personalize the brewing process, control the strength so you get just the right tasting cup. WEMAX Go. Less than 1 inch thick and weighing only 0.66 pounds, WEMAX Go easily slips into your jeans pocket for you to take anywhere you go. Simply slide the cover to turn on the mini projector and enjoy an exciting mobile viewing experience. Adopting the best in projection technology, WEMAX Go miniaturizes the same laser technology used by more than 3,000 high-end theaters around the world, which projects images with greater light efficiency, brightness, and wider color gamut. Incharge. This universal cable connector has 4 different types of cable inputs and outputs, offering all the connectivity possibilities you'll ever need. Made of high-quality materials, the Incharge 6 has a zinc aluminum alloy metal housing, TPU cable guard, and 90 braided copper wires. It is a lightweight, portable, and easy-to-use keychain, iPhone, or phone charger keychain. With magnetic attachment abilities, easily snap the heads together and hang it on your keyring.